Hi, so welcome to the bonus section. And the first thing I'll be showing you is how to apply for jobs, the easiest way you could apply for jobs. And one thing I want you to understand is that the language of any AI tool is um oh shoot. Okay, it's recording. I thought it was not recording. The language of any AI tool is prompt engineering. And what is prompt engineering? Basically, prompt engineering is able to prompt the AI to able to get a desired output from any AI tool. So I'm going to show you how to apply for a job. Of course, the first thing is to copy a job description. So let me go to, let's say, indeed.com and just get a random job there. Yep, that's okay. Let me just pick this job, technical support engineer. And one thing I need you to understand with ChatGPT now is that you can attach a file. So you can either paste your CV, I have my CV here, or attach the file. So I prefer to attach the file so as to get the best. So I'm gonna go for this. Let me see. Curriculum. Okay, I've got a list of CVs somewhere around here, my job CVs. Yeah, so I would use this. Oh, so it's open, so I need to close it basically. So I'm going to use this. So once now it's pasted there, and all I need to do is to copy the job description. What's the job description? So this is the job description. I'm copying everything, literally everything. So pasting it to ChatGPT. Boom. You would have thought I would click enter directly. No, I need to prompt it. I just gave it the information. I'm not telling it what it should do. So I have a list of prompts that I use when it comes to applying for jobs. I've used this prompt to do like 5 interviews now so far, like 5 tech interviews in the UK. So you would notice I also used a bracket just to make it understand what is the prompt. Pull out the keywords and skills in the job description and construct a personalized CV using you can use the name of your CV. The truth is, the more information you give it, the more output you're able to, the more specific your output is going to be. So it's just like really talking to a baby. You cannot tell ChatGPT animal, you need to tell it the name of the animal. So by now we are ready. So let's go. Let's see our response. You can see he gave the key skills and the keywords. Keywords are very important when it comes to job application because there is something called ATS, application tracking system, and some companies use AI tools with the ATS and they check the keyword. If the keyword is not in your CV, it would sieve your CV out, even if you have a PhD in whatever field. As long as the keyword is not there, you are useless. So here is the customized CV based on the job. You can see everything literally changed. You can see everything has changed now. It's now fine-tuned even my job responsibilities to suit that role, and yeah, everything has changed. I will not lie to you. So here is the CV. It's so simple. So after this, I just copy everything and paste it into a new Word document and edit it, remove the ones I think that it's gonna be a lie, and here so just to create a new file to see how it works. So you paste the new file into your existing CV, or so this is the new CV for that particular role. It is best that you use different CVs to apply for different roles. And then going to generating a cover letter, I also have the prompts I use, which is based on the job description. Generate a cover letter that highlights my relevant experience. You don't want ChatGPT to use all your experience, right? So relevant experiences that are relevant and aligns to that role, skills and why you're passionate about working for the company, including keywords. Keywords is very important, guys. Keywords is very important. So here you go. We have a CV. Boom, 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 and everything is ready. I always advise that you paraphrase your cover letters because you don't want to allow AI damage you. So you paraphrase your cover letter, you change few things, then you can give it to a paraphraser tool like Keyboard, and so you just copy everything basically and paste it into a paraphraser, whatever. And yeah, and I'm this kind of person. When I apply for jobs, I always try to prepare for interviews too. It's just like a fate or something, believing that I've gotten the interview already. I also have a prompt that I use for my interview. So when it comes to prompting, there is something you need to know that. So this is a different prompting that I used for my friend, but for this role, I told ChatGPT, let's say you're an interviewer. Let me put tech interviewer because I'm applying for a tech job with 10 years experience, meaning the interviewer has so much experience in job seekers in tech and networking. Ask me questions based on the job description and CV, then correct me if where I make a mistake. So what we are doing is that we want to practice, and I've used this many times. In fact, it has really helped me when it comes to preparing for interviews. So you could also, if you are key on using a star method, you could also just put a bracket, let's use star method. Just add as many information as possible. Talk. ChatGPT likes communication like a woman. Yeah, so now we've started. Can you see what just happened now? It says, great, I will ask an interviewer with an extensive experience in tech, focusing on behavior. So what this does is ChatGPT has a vast data, like I mentioned in the course. Now, it now gets data that aligned to the role of a tech interviewer. It gets it and works, just focuses on it. So ChatGPT is wide, so it just focuses on the little parts that's to do with job description. I'll ask you questions aligned with. After your response, I will provide feedback. Now let's start. Can you tell me about a time when you resolved a complex technical issue involving multiple systems or platforms? To be honest, I don't know, because this is not my job, bro. This is not the kind of job I would apply for normally. But let me give something like so situation tax. There was a time my PC at work, so it says involving multiple systems, crashed due to negligence in the OS, in the dual operating systems. I took it upon myself, which is the task, myself, to reinstall the Linux using a pen drive this time around. That's the action I did this time around, and so the results, it worked perfectly fine and got praised for it by my boss. Yeah, that's my own answer. So you can see what happened. ChatGPT corrected me. In my previous role, I had a PC that crashed, which was due running and blah blah blah, this, and it gives me feedback. But you can see how amazing this tool is. So it keeps going like that, and it is that simple. So if you need the prompts for this, I would attach a file just in case you can't see. Just send me a message on Instagram, Jesus in Tech. Thank you and God bless.